Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you reduce the cost of your custom home build. The most substantial thing to do in trying to bring the cost down is you reduce the places where you're putting the most expensive things. So what are those? It's specifically the cabinets. If you can reduce the number of cabinets that you have in different areas, that's going to bring the cost down. Most people, when they're going through a custom home design, they're thinking, oh, I can put cabinets in the laundry room, I can put cabinets in everywhere, every nook and cranny, and just realize that those cabinet costs add up very quickly. Cabinets are one of the most expensive per square foot things to put in a house. So if you want to reduce the cost, reduce the number of cabinets that you have throughout the house. The second recommendation is around what we call the millwork, and what that means in layman's terms is the trim and the doors. If you go with a standard trim style that you can buy at any trim supplier, or a door style that you can buy more commonly versus a fully custom 5-panel shaker door style or something like that, or a trim that's freaking 12 inches tall, right? The 12-inch tall trim and the 5-panel door shaker, they're amazing, they're beautiful, but they cost more than a 7-inch baseboard or a 5-inch baseboard that has a normal profile, or is just, you know, a square or rounded edge, versus you know, the 5-panel door style or a 2-panel shaker door style. So those little things, when you're building a 3,000, 4,000 square foot custom home, those really add up. When you've got 30 doors in the house and every door is $500 versus $300, that's a big difference. I mean, what is the actual math on that? 200 times 30, that's like, I think $6 grand. Wow, yeah, literally I just blew my own mind. So think about, that's where else is that adding up in the house? The most important thing is bring the custom things down to normal items, or just the higher end of normal items. You don't have to go with a crappy, you know, Home Depot faucet, but get a faucet that's more in high demand, less custom. That's how you bring down the cost of a custom home build without making it look not custom. I mean, you don't want it to look not custom. It's your beautiful forever home. So that's what you want to do. If you need help designing your custom home and you want things like this to already be thought of in the forefront of actually doing the design, you can go to homelove.construction/design, and we can design your custom house for you no matter where you live. We do virtual designs and they are amazing. So if you're interested in that and seeing it in 3D before it actually gets built, go to homelove.construction/design and we'll get started designing your custom home today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vid. Peace.